Everything that you can see, what is created in the outside world, have first created in human minds, then it got created in the outside world. Before we create anything, it is very important we need to learn how to create the right kind of things in our minds. Whatever the human making that you can see in this world have first got manifested in our mind, then it got created in the outside world. It is very important to learn how to create the right kind of things in our mind. Before that, we need to learn how to keep our minds. If you do not know how to keep your minds the way you want, then whatever you create for the outside world or for yourself is going to be very, very destructive. So if you want to learn how to keep your mind the way you like, you have to know how to establish your mind first. When you do not know how to establish your mind, it does not even matter how well you want to organize, you won't be able to organize your mind. A mind which is in a state of unestablishment is referred or is called in yoga as Markata. Markata means monkey. What is the quality of a monkey? There are two basic qualities of a monkey. One is imitation and second is unnecessary movement. You can see this is also imprinted in the human life. How many unnecessary movements we are doing and how many imitations that we are doing, both for the world and for ourselves. There are many things that we are imitating. We are not being creative about it because our mind is not stable. So a mind which is in a state of samyukti is referred or is called as well-established mind in yoga. So it is very important. First we need to learn how to create the right kind of things in our mind, then easily we can manifest it in the outside world or we can materialize it. So if you learn how to organize your mind, it will in turn organize the whole body. Once the body will organize, the whole energy also will be organized. Mind, body, energy, three main aspects of your life, if they will be organized, then if you want to create something, it will just happen without any effort. Whether it is for your own life or it is for the outside world, you need to learn how to organize your mind first. Before that, a very small thing you have to do is to bring clarity. Whatever that is there in our life or whatever you are doing in your life, if you do not have clarity about that, then definitely you need other people's opinion, because somewhere you are not clear what you are doing and you do not know where you stand. Even if you are doing something, it is not working, you feel terrified, you feel confused, you feel lost, and you seek other people's opinion, you seek other people's help. So first you need to bring clarity about what you're doing and what you're doing. Is it that particular thing what you're doing, and what you have decided to do, can you be committed and can you relentlessly do that? If you identify that, then definitely you will be able to organize your mind very easily. As I said, once you organize your mind, it in turn organizes your energy. When your body, mind, emotion, energy goes in one direction, travels in one direction, focuses in one direction, you will see success will be just an effortless process. Krishna says a wonderful thing, yogastaha kuru karmani. It means first establish yourself, then perform the action. It is an amazing statement. If you go deep within it, then you will know so many things that is there. So give some time to yourself, withdraw from your day-to-day activity, just take a gap and spend some time, enjoy your solitude, and invest some time in yoga and meditation and other aspect of your life. Just give a space to your inner exploration. Definitely anything that you think it is impossible will become a possibility. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you like it. If you have any questions or anything that you want to ask or share, then please comment on the video, or you can contact me also on the message. So till then, I will come back with another motivational and inspirational video. Then see you. Bye bye. Good night.